Okay, guys, another thing that we do a whole lot of is siding on your home. Siding, soffit, fascia. A lot of rain gutter work as well involved with that. But this is where it really gets fun when you want to change the look of your house. So there's a lot of different products that are available. Some of them a lot better than others, depend on the aspect and what the application is. But I'll just briefly touch on some that are really common, a lot of people are familiar with. This would be your James Hardie siding. And so this is basically kind of a cement board siding. Comes in some different finishes. A lot of them that we do, it comes primed from the factory. So we install it, seal it, and then you have somebody paint it. So that's an option. It also comes with factory finish paint on it. That factory finish paint has warranties up to 30 years, limited warranty on different aspects of it. But a lot of people like the Hardie siding, so that's one option. Another option that we have is vinyl. There's steel siding. Here's a sample of a steel siding. This is actually a really durable siding. And again, as with the Hardie siding, the steel siding here, they have really good fire ratings with them as well. And so they're popular that way. But this has just got a new look. It's relatively new to the market, but that's a real fun product as well. And then probably your most common that most people know about is your vinyl siding. So again, with vinyl siding, you have different grades, kind of like I talked about with the shingle warranties. So you have your builder's grade product. That's the really nice way to put it, the really flimsy stuff that kind of has some issues. And then you get into the good stuff. And when you get into the good stuff, it's typically like a manufacturer mastic here. And so really thick, there's different options with this. So you've got it where it's non-insulated. Why it's popular is you've got a lot of color choices with this. So you can do a lot of different trims and accessories that go along with it. So this would be your standard here, your non-insulated. We do a lot of these where the panel itself, and this is just a different profile. They have different profiles, a lot to choose from. But this comes with insulation in the siding that gives it a really rigid feel, but also gives it a really good thermal insulation barrier on the outside of the building. And so this has been really popular over the last few years. That's been a good one. Also, and this we do a lot of just by itself, your soffit and fascia work. So these older homes that have the wood soffit and fascia, we actually have a break on site. So we custom bend a lot of this stuff to fit little intricate details, post wraps, beams. We can cover a lot of things. A lot of color choice. And again, we custom make these to fit whatever project we're working on. And then we can cover the soffit again in the colored metal as well. And so no more painting. That's why this stuff is so popular. And that's what's nice about the mastic siding. Any of the mastic products come with the limited lifetime warranty on the product itself. They've been making the stuff forever, so they've been around a long time. And it's just really a good, solid product. But there's so many accessories. A lot of people up in the gables will change things up in the gable. So we'll do a horizontal or a board and batten look. Then we'll do some cedar shake looks or some scallops to trim off the gables with different accent colors. So you can really change the look of the whole house when you get a chance to design this. And again, what makes it nice is that software that we use, the Beacon software, where when we diagram the house, we can load the different colors and pictures in there, and then we can pick and choose so you get a really good idea of what the finished product is going to look like. And our customers really like that aspect of things. Again, you can do the horizontal look in the different patterns. A lot of people like the board and batten look. So instead of horizontal, we're going vertical, like the old cedar. On the old, a lot of the 70s and 80s homes had that. Well, this is a great way to get that same look, except for it's completely maintenance free. And that's what's nice about the vinyl, is there's never any painting involved with it. So say it's been on a couple of years and it's looking a little dirty, you break out the hose and you hose it down and it looks new again. And again, a whole lot of color choices. But siding's really fun because you can change the look of the whole house when you re-side.
All right, another great vinyl product that has just been introduced to the market in the last couple of years. It's called Western Extreme by Mastic. And the thing that we really love about this, obviously by the name of it, Western Extreme, is it's actually designed for our Western climate. We get a lot of dry heat here, and we also get a lot of changes in temperature. And so they've taken that in consideration at Mastic, and they've come out with this Western Extreme that is actually designed specifically for our climate. And we're really excited about that. As you can see, there's not quite as many color choices as some of the other siding, but why they picked these unique colors, because they're darker colors, is that this siding is made to hold up in our climate. You can put on different darker colors, like this is almost not quite a black, but close to a black. And we just did one of these in a red, and it really has performed well over the years. About a year ago, we installed it on a home, and it's done really well. Where with other vinyl sidings, especially your cheap products, you'll have a lot of problems with these different colors. And so again, this has been designed for our Western extreme climates. And so we're excited to offer this to our customers. We've sold a lot of it, and we're excited to have it. Another great thing about the Western Extreme siding and all our sidings is they come with a great wind warranty. This particular product, Western Extreme, comes with a 200-mile-per-hour wind warranty. So that's another great benefit about this product.
As far as all the siding, I know we've talked about a few different products, the vinyl and the Hardie, the cement board. Another one that we're really excited about, been out a couple of years now. This is basically a cement board siding, kind of like the Hardie is. The benefits are on log cabins, different things, and sometimes even on houses. It's got the look of logs other than it's maintenance free. And for log cabins, fire rating. It's a cement board. And so it's Class A fire rated as well. Really good warranties with it. And so you can see there's a lot of different products coming on the market. So it's basically just up to your imagination and obviously your pocketbook where you want to go. But there's a lot of things available out there, like this Everlast Systems, it's called. And it's made to mimic real log siding. So kind of excited to do this as well. So there's just another product for you.